Tired of waking up to see the same stubborn dark spots, uneven skin tone, or hyperpigmentation in general? All right, listen up, and let me educate you on how to effectively make your nighttime routine work for you while you're getting your sweet sleep, since that is when your skin is in its full repair mode, which is when the real transformation happens. But before I go further, I want to welcome you all to my channel. Please subscribe and also check out my morning time routine video on fading dark spots or hyperpigmentation. All right, let's start. The first thing is what I called start clean, but stay gentle. This means you should always start your nighttime routine with hydrating cleanser to remove all the impurities without leaving your skin feeling tight or stripped, because our mature skin needs all the moisture it can get to keep it moist while keeping it clean and not dry. So I will recommend this cleansers or toners. Wait for a minute or less for your cleanser or toner to absorb. Next, apply retinol serum. This is where the real work starts. Retinol is like a personal trainer for your skin cells. It renews the skin, boosts its collagen, and fades hyperpigmentation. But you need to take precaution when starting retinol newly. For example, always start with a gentler formula like 0.1 or 0.2 or even less, before you move to a higher one and use once or twice a week. Next, on nights you are not using retinol, I repeat, nights that you are not using retinol, use alpha-arbutin serum. Alpha-arbutin will gently brighten your skin, fades dark spots, and clear uneven skin tone without irritation. Wait like 1 minute for your retinol or alpha-arbutin to absorb. Next, apply hyaluronic acid serum or essence. This will help plump up those fine lines and prepare the skin for your moisturizer to absorb properly. Wait again for like 1 minute for it to absorb. Finally, seal it up with a rich, nourishing moisturizer that is packed with peptides or ceramides to help restore your skin barrier. And if you are having puffiness in the eye, always dab a peptide or caffeine-based eye cream on it. Let me remind you that these tips are not a quick fix, but with consistency and patience, you will start seeing that beautiful, even-toned glow and younger skin you've been dreaming of. Try these tips, your skin will thank you for it. Let me know what skincare tips you will like me to talk about next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out some interesting skincare videos on my channel.